This will probably be the last video I make of LILU'S puppies. This one's 5 days and a half old. And I've lost all but 2. This one's passing now. I have 1 male left. That's doing fairly good, but so was this female this morning. He's still nursing the bottle, breathing fairly good, but they just didn't have lungs developed enough for this world. It's terrible and sad, and I probably won't make any more videos unless this one's 2 or 3 weeks old and doing good. I just don't see it happening. So, for everybody that was watching, we're down to one little boy, and I probably won't make another video, like I said, unless he lives for a while. It's just too hard. He's nursing the bottle really good and everything, but so was she this morning, and as of 3 o'clock this afternoon, she ate. So, anyways, we're gonna go, and I'm gonna live on her until she passes. And like I said, this will probably be our last video on LILU'S babies. It has been a long past 5.5 days, and I'm tired. They're tired. But we gave it one hell of a run.